Shammar Yahrach, king of strictness and conquests. Legends tell that Shammar Yahrach, Shammar or Shامريرعش is one of the most famous kings of Himyar. There are many accounts of him in the writings of the ancient Akhbaris, including that he invaded Armenia, Persia, India, China and Abyssinia. He also demolished Samarkand. He also destroyed Samarkand. According to a narration, the name Samarkand is a distortion of Shamarkand, meaning Shammar was destroyed. King Shammar is the king to whom news attributes many heroisms and glories. Rather, he is one of the most prominent epic characters in the stories of the people of Yemen. This king was able to unite the two remaining political entities, namely Saba and Himyar, into one entity, and established a strong central rule and held the title of King of Sheba, the Raden, Hadramaut and Yamana. Marib ended as the capital and was replaced by Dhofar. This period, which began with the unification of the Yemeni regions in one homeland and one central authority, and its capital, Dhofar, was known as the Himyar period. A period whose mention remained stuck in people's minds, and the novel transmitted its news before Islam more than any previous period in the history of Yemen is ancient. The expeditions carried out by his father, the king, Nasir al-Nam, and the first of which was the expedition he made to Morocco until he reached the surrounding sea. Then the narrations tell of the participation of Shammar, who hurls at his father in the rest of the campaigns that he undertook to various regions, east and west, until the death of King Nasir al-Nam in Sinjar, before he fulfilled his desire to reach the land of Tibet and from there to China and India. The novels conclude with reference to the king's return to Yemen after he was decimated the whole earth, and the kings owed him that he had died at the age of 10. 60 years after he recommended that the daughter of Saifi take over the rule after him in a group of the sons of the kings of Himyar and the great people of the Arabs.